Right now, preppers are quietly clearing specific shelves in grocery stores. While most shoppers are focused on their weekly lists, there's a growing group who are paying close attention to what's actually disappearing from the shelves. They're not just buying in bulk, they're being strategic, targeting foods that could become hard to find in the near future. You might think they're stocking up on the usual suspects: rice, beans, flour, but that's not what's disappearing first. While these staples are important, the real story is about foods that most people overlook, the ones that quietly vanish before anyone notices. It's 9 overlooked foods most shoppers ignore. These aren't just random items. They're chosen for their long shelf life, nutritional value, and versatility in tough times. Preppers know these foods can make a real difference when supplies run low. The shelves don't look empty yet, but that's how shortages start. Quiet and sudden. One day, everything seems normal, and the next, those key items are gone, leaving only empty spaces behind. Nearly 7,900 grocery stores are expected to close by 2026, but closures aren't the real issue. Even if your local store stays open, it might not have what you need when you need it most. The real problem is what's vanishing from the stores that remain, and why it's not coming back at the same price, or at all. Supply chain issues, inflation, and changing demand mean some foods may never return to shelves, or if they do, they'll cost a lot more. By the end of this video, you'll know all 9, why they matter, and what you can do this week to get ahead. We'll break down each food, explain why it's important, and give you practical tips for stocking up before it's too late. Ready? Let's dive in and make sure you're not left staring at empty shelves when it matters most. Your future self will thank you for taking action now. Let's kick things off with honey, one of the oldest and most fascinating foods known to humankind. For thousands of years, people have treasured honey not just for its sweetness, but for its incredible shelf life and versatility. Archaeologists have even found edible honey in ancient Egyptian tombs, perfectly preserved after millennia, a testament to its legendary ability to never expire. Preppers love it for good reason. It's sweet, packed with quick energy, and if you store it in a cool, dry place, it can last virtually forever. Honey is a staple in survival pantries everywhere, but lately, large containers of honey are getting harder to find on store shelves. Bee populations are dropping at alarming rates, and import controls are tightening, making it more difficult and expensive to bring honey in from other countries. When bees struggle due to disease, pesticides, or habitat loss, honey production tanks and those big, affordable jugs are the first to disappear from the shelves, leaving only smaller, pricier options behind. Honey isn't just food, it's also medicine, a natural preservative, and a multitasker in any prepper's kit. It can be used in countless ways, from sweetening drinks to treating minor injuries. It can soothe a sore throat, help wounds heal thanks to its antibacterial properties, and keep other foods from spoiling by acting as a natural preservative. Its uses go far beyond the kitchen, but without healthy bees, none of that's possible. The decline of bees threatens not just honey, but our entire food system. So if you spot a big container of honey on sale, don't hesitate, grab it while you can. Stocking up now could save you money and headaches later. The window for affordable bulk honey is closing fast, and it may not open again for a long time. Next up, evaporated milk in pull-tab cans. This humble pantry staple is often overlooked, but it's a quiet hero when it comes to long-term food security and convenience. Shelf-stable dairy is quietly disappearing as producers focus on higher-profit products. Fewer brands are making evaporated milk, and the shelf space dedicated to it is shrinking every year. Evaporated milk doesn't need refrigeration, lasts for years, and delivers protein and calcium when fresh milk is impossible to get. It's a reliable backup for emergencies, power outages, or just when you run out of fresh milk unexpectedly. Pull-tab cans mean you don't need a can opener, critical in a power outage or if you're camping, traveling, or simply want to make life easier in the kitchen. Dairy aisles might look fully stocked, but if you look closely, the space for evaporated milk is shrinking. It's becoming harder to find, especially in smaller stores or rural areas. If you've got kids, a medical need for calcium, or just want your coffee to taste normal, evaporated milk is a must. It's also a great option for elderly family members who may not get to the store often. It mixes into recipes, makes creamy sauces, and stretches fresh milk further. From baking to savory dishes, it's a versatile ingredient that can elevate your cooking and help you make the most of what you have. If you see pull-tab cans of evaporated milk, grab a few. Stocking up now means you'll have a dependable source of dairy on hand, no matter what happens. You'll thank yourself when you need it most, whether it's for your morning coffee, a family meal, or simply peace of mind knowing your pantry is ready for anything. Third on the list, canned butter. Only a handful of producers make it, and supplies are tight. Canned butter lasts 5 to 10 years without special storage, a game changer for long-term emergencies. It's a critical fat source, and in a crisis, fats are hard to come by. With rising demand, canned butter is flying off shelves. If you see it, don't hesitate. Stock a few cans now and rotate them into your meals. You'll have a shelf-stable, delicious fat source when you need it most. Fourth on the list, shelf-stable bacon. Bacon is packed with fat, protein, and salt, fuel and comfort in tough times. Shelf-stable bacon lasts long and is easy to store. No freezer needed. But brands are struggling to keep up with demand, and some have vanished from shelves. When it's gone, it's gone. Bacon can turn bland staples into something you actually want to eat. If you spot shelf-stable bacon, grab it. It might be the difference between just surviving and actually enjoying a meal. Number 5. Bulk bouillon cubes and powder. Bouillon is the secret weapon for making bland staples taste like real meals. Bulk bouillon is getting harder to find as companies shift to smaller, pricier packages. It's compact, cheap, and adds flavor, salt, and even a little fat. When you're eating from your pantry for weeks, that flavor boost is a game changer. Bouillon keeps meals interesting and spirits up. If you see bulk bouillon, especially big canisters or jars, don't pass them up. A few dollars now can make weeks of meals way more bearable later. Number 6. Cooking oil in large containers. Prices have doubled in some places, and supplies are spotty due to global disruptions. Fat is essential in a crisis, and cooking oil is calorie-dense and versatile. Large containers give you the best value, but they're disappearing fast. Stores are switching to smaller bottles, which cost more per ounce. Oil lets you fry, bake, and sauté, making survival food into real meals. If you see big bottles or jugs at a good price, grab them now. Check Best By dates and rotate your stash regularly. 7th on the list, bulk yeast. If you want to make bread, pizza, or pancakes, you need yeast. Demand for yeast is still high, and production hasn't caught up. Bulk yeast, big vacuum-sealed bags or jars, are especially hard to find. Properly stored, bulk yeast lasts 5 years or more. Fresh bread is a comfort food and a major morale boost in emergencies. If you see a big bag or jar of yeast, grab it and store it in the freezer for maximum shelf life. Bread makes everything better. Number 8 is canned tomato paste. It's crucial for turning bland carbs into real meals. Soups, sauces, even rice and beans. 95% of U.S. processed tomatoes come from California, and droughts and rising costs are shrinking supply. Companies cut back on tomato paste first, and shelf space is already shrinking. Tomato paste is a nutrition boost, vitamin C, lycopene, and fiber in a tiny can. If you see a sale on tomato paste, especially bigger cans, stock up. It's cheap insurance for months of meals. Last but not least, canned sardines and mackerel. These little fish are packed with protein, healthy fats, and omega-3s. Prices have doubled in the last 3 years due to reduced fishing quotas and climate change. Stores get less stock, and prices keep rising. Sardines and mackerel add protein and fat, nutrients you can't get from just rice. They're ready to eat, no cooking required. If you see your favorite brand in stock, grab a few extra cans each trip. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Food shortages don't start with empty shelves. They start small gaps, delays, price creep. By the time everyone notices, it's too late. These 9 foods fill critical nutritional gaps: fats, protein, flavor, and long-term stability. This isn't about panic buying. It's about planning ahead. On your next 3 shopping trips, grab 2 items from this list each time. No stress, no overspending. You'll have a solid reserve before most people notice something's wrong. The people who stay ahead act early, while everything still looks normal. So, what's the first item you're picking up? Let me know in the comments, and let's keep each other prepared.